Hi friends, welcome to Info TV Bar. Today our video is about HDCC security camera. In this video I will show you the dlink HDCC security camera kit. Here it is. So what we will get in this kit? So I ordered it on Flipkart and I got this kit. The main things which we will get in this kit is one bullet camera. This is called bullet camera, one zoom camera, and 4-channel power supply and one DVR. The main features of this product is it has 5 years warranty. Within the 5 years, if something happens to this survival kit, if there is minor repair, they will repair it and give it back to you. Otherwise, they replace the product. And the other thing is you have dlink CCTV app. So in dlink CCTV app, you can see what's happening in your premises from anywhere else. So by sitting at anywhere, you can watch your survival CCTV footage live. And I'm using it. I installed it myself. So there is no rocket science in it to installing it on your home. You can do it on your own. And one more thing is I use dlink wire. It is not come up with this kit. So I purchased it separately. In market, a dlink CCTV survival cable is available. So I will show you unboxing of dlink's HD CCTV kit. In next video, I will show you how to install it. If you like this video, subscribe and click the like button, share to your friends.